Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting right now. Remove the mascara wand and set it aside gently. Use a magnifying lamp if available, because you need to see the stopper clearly. Apply 1 or 2 drops of gentle oil to a cotton swab and touch the stopper edges. This loosens hardened mascara. Once the oil soaks in for 30-60 seconds, rotate the bottle slowly to let cap contact the softened residue. Make sure to work patiently. Rushing will damage the brush or push clumps deeper. Now continue by focusing on the stopper rim and inner sleeve. You'll repeat softening and gentle extraction. Dip a clean swab, press it against the stopper, and sweep away loosened mascara. Do not stick anything deep into the tube. If a hardened chunk resists, use fine tweezers to lift it out while supporting the stopper with your other hand. Once a majority is removed, wipe the wand with tissue and test. Fit the cap slowly to ensure smooth movement without forcing it. Finish by removing any oil residue. Use a dry cotton swab to absorb excess, then wipe the wand so bristles separate. Cap and uncap the tube slowly. It should glide without resistance. If you notice damage or persistent clogging, replace the brush or stopper rather than risk contamination. One troubleshooting tip: if the clog won't budge, warm the sealed bottle in your palm for 1 to 2 minutes and repeat the oil method. This loosens internal clumps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.